Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset your account on Twitter. First of all, and of course, you will need a Twitter application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android or App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then, all you need to do, just go here and sign in to create your account. If you already have an account, ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's get straight to it. So let's just launch Twitter. And as we said, we want to reset our Twitter. So we would like maybe to make it like it's our first time using Twitter, or we just sign in, or we just created our accounts. If we already have created our accounts, of course. But if you just created your account, it will be all reset from the beginning, of course. So how can we reset our account? It's simply by deleting your tweets first. All you need to do, just go here and click at the icon first at the top left corner and click at your profile. Then delete all the tweets or retweets that you've done. If you have maybe a lot of tweets and retweets, you can delete them by delete all tweets video in this channel. But if you just have few, just click at the three dots here and click at delete tweets. So after that, all you need to do, just remove all the followings. If you follow anyone, just remove your following. Then followers, if you have any follower, just maybe ask them to unfollow you, or if you want to let them, you can let them. Or if you don't want to go through that, just go to your follow or who follows you and click at the three dots, maybe click at block, and that's it. Just go back, you will have no followers and no following. So then all you need to do, go here to your likes and remove every post that you like. You can do that. Maybe if you have just few, just go and like them all. Maybe inner replies, remove that replies as well. Then maybe all you want to do, just go here, edit your profile, maybe just remove the bio, or do whatever you want here. Maybe remove, even change the profile picture. Then go back, go and head to settings and privacy. After that, you can actually deactivate your account. Then after deactivating your account, of course, you can reactivate your account. After deactivating your account or reactivating your account, before you should do what I said earlier, do that, log out, then go to account information, log out. After that, log in and reactivate your account. So that will let your Twitter account reset. So it will be like it's your first time using Twitter. So that will be for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.